Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm very, very excited about this. I had posted in my Angeldreamcrafts group a couple of weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, that I was going to be getting some napkins in my Etsy, and they arrived. Yay! So they are in my Etsy now, and the link to my Etsy is in the description box, but I wanted to come on and show you on a video what they look like. And I'm sorry the lighting is not so great. It is a very overcast and stormy day here, so I wanted to show you. This is the only one that's cocktail size, but there is 4 images on each napkin. So there's, on this one in particular, there is one of the big cabbage rose, and then one with the 2, and then the little rosebud there, which is so adorable. So there's 4 images per napkin. I love these. So beautiful and shabby chic. So there's that one, and I love this one. This is in mint green and pink and just tiny little forget-me-nots in the background. So beautiful. And again, there is 4. All of the napkins have 4 images on them. So, you know, I think that's great, because in the center of this one, you've got this image that you could cut out if you wanted to. So you would end up with kind of a 5th image if you're decoupaging. But they're beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. I fell in love with this one in particular. I just love the florals. So there's that one, and oh my goodness, look at this beautiful little lady. Isn't she pretty? And again, 4 images per napkin. And some of these are going to make an appearance in kits in the next little while as well. So if you miss out, or you want to wait for the kit and you don't want to buy the napkins, well, I wouldn't do that, because I'm not going to say which ones are in the kits. But some of these will be making an appearance in kits. I will say I did hold some back for kits. And look at these beautiful roses. And I used one of these recently on a decoupage box that I just did on one of my lives. So shabby and beautiful. And look at this. I mean, wow, I love it. The fairies, so pretty. I love these fairies. I mean, these would be so beautiful on a box or anything, really. So pretty. I love that one. And then last but not least, I have this one, which, you know, I love butterflies. It's got the roses, and it's also got the script writing. So all 3 of my favorite things on one napkin. So those are the napkins, guys. Hurry over to my Etsy if you want some. If you know, you guys want these, I can keep stocking these, and I'll get different ones next time. Or if there's something in particular napkin-wise that you're looking for, leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I will check into that for you. But this is something I can probably stock now on a regular basis because I found a supplier. So yay for us, because we can have decoupage napkins. So yeah, go over to my Etsy and check them out. Thanks, guys. Bye. The link is below.